If you work with spreadsheets and you're responsible for tracking marketing KPIs, I highly recommend you check out Coefficient's free gallery of pre-built Google Sheets and Excel templates designed for marketers. You can find all of them on our website right here, and as you can see, each template connects to your live marketing data sources, from HubSpot to Google Analytics to LinkedIn ads, Facebook ads, Instagram Insights, Bing ads, and even more. Let's take a closer look at a specific example with our social media growth tracker template. As you can see, this template connects to Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to power this live dashboard. All you have to do is drop your email to save a free copy on your own Google Drive. And here we go. This is the main dashboard tab of our spreadsheet template. This will show you high-level KPIs such as your current Facebook likes, Instagram followers, and LinkedIn followers. But more importantly, you can see a daily trend on this chart below to see how each of those platforms is performing relative to each other over time. What's even more powerful is we can actually set up this template so that it'll refresh our data from these 3 different data sources hourly or every day, so we don't have to manually export data or update this template over time. To do that, simply open Coefficient from the top extensions menu, and we'll be able to see all of our imports on this file. And here we go. As you can see, this template's actually powered by 5 different imports from those 3 data sources. I can click it if I need to make any edits to the filters or other fields that are coming in. But for now, let's set up a refresh schedule. So I'll come into this menu here, and we can set up each of these 5 imports to refresh every hour so that this dashboard will be as live as possible. Choose hourly down below and click Apply Schedule. And there we go. And if we want to take this one step further to make this even more actionable, we can even set up an email or Slack alert so we can be notified of important changes to any of these metrics. In this case, let's say we want an alert when the data changes, and we'll say that we want to be alerted when the total Facebook likes exceeds 100,000 followers. We'll say satisfies condition, a number greater or equal to 100,000. I could have this sent to my personal email, but also in this case, let's have it sent to our marketing channel so that everyone can celebrate together when we cross that important threshold. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this template useful, and I hope you'll try out a few of our templates built for marketers.